Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Icky Licky from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two angles going up, leaving a space in between. And then a curve underneath each one. Next, let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw an oval. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes, let's draw a curve up and back down for the top of the nose. Now we're going to hop to the top and we're going to start drawing the shape of the head. On top in the center, let's draw a curve up and then bring it down. And then inside, let's draw a curve down on top of each eye. And that's it for the top part of the head. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the nose and let's draw a curve up and curve it out next to each of the eyes. And then let's add a large curve underneath. Now inside the mouth, let's draw two bumps at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. Now let's hop out and let's finish drawing the bottom half of the face. Next to the eyes, on top of the mouth, let's draw another curve out. And then a large curve underneath to close off the head. Now that we're done the head, let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And the same on the right side. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve down and out for the tops of the arms. And another angle underneath. Now let's draw the hands at the ends. From the bottom line, let's draw a curve down, around, and back up for the thumbs. And then a curve going outwards. Now top to the top, and let's draw another finger going up, and then two more to close off each hand. And then add a curve inside each of the fingers. Now that we have the shape of the upper body, let's move in and let's draw some details. Let's start by drawing the necklace. Let's start by drawing a curve up at the top, and then let's thicken it up slightly like this. And then add two more underneath. And thicken these up as well. And then inside each of the curves, let's draw a line across. Now to draw the shape of the necklace, let's draw another curve around each of these. and then add 2 angled lines on top. Next, let's hop down underneath the necklace and let's draw 2 lines in the center for the zipper. And then add some horizontal stripes inside. Next, let's add the pattern on the body. Let's draw 2 wavy lines on each of the arms. And then a wavy line across the top of the torso. And the same at the bottom, continuing it on the other side. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath, let's draw 2 lines down. And then curve it outwards. Now top out and let's draw an angle out. And then to close off each foot, let's add the toes. Let's start inside and let's draw a curve out and back in. Then another toe next to it. And then one more with a bump at the end. And then add a curve inside each of the toes. Lastly, let's add the pattern on the legs. Inside at the top, let's draw a curve down and in. Then a wavy line underneath. And then one more curve up and back down. And that's it for Icky Licky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!